The global economy relies heavily on container ships for the transportation of goods across vast distances. These ships are the backbone of global trade, as they connect people and economies worldwide by transporting raw materials, goods, and products to various destinations. Container ships are designed to carry enormous quantities of cargo in a single trip, which makes them more cost-effective than other modes of transportation. However, the construction of a container ship is a complex and costly process that can take several years to complete. The shipbuilding process involves several stages, including design, engineering, and construction, which requires skilled workers and state-of-the-art equipment. A container ship is a massive vessel that can be up to 400 meters long, and its construction requires high levels of precision to ensure that it can withstand the harsh conditions of the open sea. Before a container ship can be launched, it must undergo a series of rigorous tests to ensure that it meets safety standards and can withstand the harsh conditions of the open sea. These tests include the sea trial, which measures the ship's speed, maneuverability, stability, and other critical factors. The sea trial is a crucial step in the shipbuilding process, as it allows engineers and designers to identify and make any necessary adjustments before the ship is put into service, in addition to the sea trial. The container ship must undergo several other tests that are designed to push it to its limits and ensure that it is built to withstand the most challenging conditions. These tests include the inclining test, which measures the ship's stability, the vibration test, which measures the ship's ability to withstand the stress and strain of high-speed travel, and the noise test, which measures the ship's acoustic signature. The sea trial is considered one of the most critical tests that a brand new container ship must undergo before it can be put into service. During the sea trial, the ship is taken out to sea for a series of tests that measure its speed, maneuverability, stability, and other critical factors. These tests are conducted under real-world conditions, and the ship is put through its paces to determine how it will perform in different weather conditions and sea states. The sea trial is a crucial step in the shipbuilding process because it allows engineers and designers to identify any issues or problems with the ship's design, construction, or equipment before it is put into service. If any issues are identified during the sea trial, they can be addressed before the ship is put into service, thus ensuring that the ship is safe and reliable. Apart from the sea trial, there are several other cruel tests that a container ship must undergo before launch. These tests are designed to push the ship to its limits and ensure that it is built to withstand the most challenging conditions. For example, during the inclining test, the ship is tilted to different angles to measure its stability. This test is designed to ensure that the ship is not top-heavy, which could cause it to capsize. Similarly, during the vibration test, the ship is subjected to high levels of vibration to measure its ability to withstand the stress and strain of high-speed travel. The noise test measures the ship's acoustic signature, which is essential to ensure that the ship does not produce excessive noise that could harm marine life. The vibration test is another cruel test that container ships must undergo before they are launched. This test is designed to simulate the conditions that the ship will face when it is sailing at high speeds. During the vibration test, the ship is subjected to intense vibrations, and its sensors measure the stress and strain on the hull and other components. This test is crucial because it ensures that the ship can withstand the vibrations and stresses of high-speed travel without sustaining any damage. High-intensity sound waves are used during the noise test to measure the ship's acoustic signature. This test is vital for container ships as it allows them to avoid detection by enemy submarines or other hostile vessels. During the noise test, the ship is blasted with high-intensity sound waves, and the crew must endure hours of intense noise at close range. The noise test can be incredibly stressful for the crew, as the noise level can be deafening, making it difficult to communicate with each other. In conclusion, the vibration test and the noise test are two of the cruel tests that a container ship must undergo before launch. The vibration test is designed to simulate the conditions the ship will face when sailing at high speeds, while the noise test is designed to measure the ship's acoustic signature. Both tests are crucial for ensuring that the ship is built to withstand the most challenging conditions and operate safely and reliably. These tests may be cruel, but they are necessary to ensure that container ships can serve as the backbone of the world's economy by transporting goods across vast distances and connecting people and economies worldwide.